Hey everyone, welcome back! Lately, I've been seeing this animals and coins trick popping up everywhere online. People are saying you can get unlimited gems and energy using just your phone. No computer, no extra apps, no complicated setup. Honestly, it sounded a bit too wild to be true, so I decided to give it a try myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did step by step and show you how it turned out in the end. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. After that, I opened up my phone's browser. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work. Then I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's connected to animals and coins, unlimited gems, and energy. The page loaded right away. No weird pop-ups, no random redirects, nothing sketchy. Honestly, that surprised me a bit. It actually looked clean, simple, and totally normal. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked how many gems and energy I wanted to add. For this test, I went all in and selected the highest amount just to really push it and see what would happen. After hitting confirm, a few progress bars popped up showing each step being completed one by one. Everything was super clear, clean, and easy to follow. No confusing stuff at all. Before the final step, there was a quick verification. The site explains it in a simple way and gives clear instructions, so it didn't feel complicated or annoying. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's skip ahead and check out the results. To see if it actually worked, I opened Animals and Coins again and checked my gems and energy balance. And yep, the extra resources were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around, nothing like that. It updated instantly on my phone, which honestly surprised me. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.